Hello people, we have another shopping experience with my human Jumbo store. I hope you enjoy this video. Hello lovely people, welcome back to another Christmas shopping session. This time we bought a few items from Jumbo. Last time we went to Pepco. But as I was saying last time, Jumbo is something sort of Hobby Lobby, if you like. This is a Christmas decoration. I will use it in my DIY stuff. Let me show you what I have here. I have them all stocked on the floor because I don't have any space anymore. So these are the wreath that I'm working at. This would be a Christmas tree, hopefully. That's another one. Some nail files. I think it's a nice piece of a small present for family. Let's see, I have 3 decorations like these and they were so cute. It's under 50 cents, I think 20 cents each, I think. And this is a snow decoration and a little star. Okay. I have these gold small stars also for my DIY stuff, and I will start putting it away. And these golden globes for DIY, but also for my Christmas tree. I have this stuff is amazing. I love it. It's awesome. The colors are amazing, and I think I will make a wreath like this, and I will see what I can put on it. But it's very cool, very cool. Actually, I'm sorry I didn't took more of that. And of course I bought something for myself, like this planner here. We don't really find a lot of planners here in my where I stay, but this one is very cool. It's little sticky notes, and if I want to put a sign somewhere, if I want to do something, this is a weekly planner. You can put the date and the month. Don't forget, very important. And I simply love this small envelope. Oops. Where you can put things that you, I don't know, small lists or stuff like this. I think I can put that back. So this is very nice. I actually took it for next year starting. And these sticky notes with a bit of pink, things and stuff to do, make it happen. I thought it was very cute. And also these project planners with mood of the day. It's very cute, and I saw a lot of people on YouTube, a lot of ladies that I'm watching and following using these planners. We don't really have a lot of options of planners here, so I was very glad seeing these 3 options. So that's first. And this is a small notebook. it was so nice. I'm keeping my to-do list, but I'm always writing something, sharing my ideas, putting something on this kind of notebooks, and I thought it would be a cool thing to have. It's very, very nice and very flowery, and I love summer, and this makes me feel like summer all over again. 2 pairs of slippers, and this basket, you will fill it with something. I'm not telling what, because it would no longer be a present anymore or a surprise. These Christmas decorations also for my DIY projects, because I have big plans. And now that's my mother's favorites. I don't know why she bought so much Christmas globes, but yeah, welcome to Christmas. It's snowing. Santa Claus is very happy. And look at him with Rudolph the reindeer. Actually, I like better this one. The snow is smaller and cooler. And this little angel, this is cool also, right? And this nativity, see, Jumbo. Okay, moving on. Enough with the Christmas balls. I took this stuff, and not for wrapping presents in, but for my DIY wreath. I need a lot of ideas and inspirations, and I want them to be very original. I took this also for my Christmas mini trees and wreath, and glitter. Look, I'm planning to do something with it. I'm not sure what, but I am planning to do something. And I had this idea for the longest time. These are small hand towels and a small bathtub, and I thought this would look amazing in the bathroom. This is 90 cents, and each of the small towels are also 90 cents. Now let's look at this Christmas tree, because my new addiction to Christmas are Christmas trees. I already had the green one, but that wasn't enough, so I think this is another nice addition for home decor. And this Christmas towel, will do something with it. I think I will cut it down, because I have an idea, and I really need this kind of red and this kind of material for my idea. I don't know, let's see. Actually, I think it's cute. It's too cute to cut down. I'm not sure if I should do it or not. What do you think? Should I cut the towel down for a DIY, or should I let it and enjoy it for Christmas? We have here 3 plates. We have soup plates like this kind of type. We have round big plates, and we needed 3 more small plates to complete the set. These are toilet bowl cleaners. They smell nice, and you put it in the water of the toilet. They're actually big big round stuff and you put it, you know what you should do with this. I'm sure you know. This is a small vase that my vase or vase, I don't know, something that my mother wanted to decor her room. And also this, I don't like this, but she does and she wanted it, so here's to that. These are small balls. They're very nice. I always love this. They're nice, they make me happy, but they're not for me. They're a present, a birthday present actually. We needed some aluminum foil and some tissues, and we needed a very large big thing of kitchen paper. This has 70 meters and 700 grams. I don't know, it lasts us for 2 months. Thanks for watching this haul, and see you next time. Google already left, so excuse him for not being here and say goodbye for you. Bye bye.